Most people spend thousands on ads and still get zero leads. What if I told you the people getting 100 leads for free are doing something embarrassingly simple? Stop. Before you skip, hear this one thing. The biggest lie in business is that you need money to make money. I've watched broke college students outperform companies with $10,000 ad budgets. I've seen freelancers land Fortune 500 clients using nothing but a Google Doc and the right strategy. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it step by step so you can get your first 100 leads without spending a single dollar. No fluff, no theory, just real tactics that work in 2025. Stick around till the end. I'm showing you one tool that will help you convert those leads automatically. It's a complete game changer. Let's get into it. Why free leads is not a myth. Here's something the marketing gurus don't want you to know. The internet is essentially a giant 24/7 lead generation machine, and most of it is completely free to use. The problem isn't access. The problem is strategy. Most beginners do what I call the spray and pray method. They post randomly on social media, hope someone notices, and wonder why nothing happens. The people who win? They treat lead generation like a system, not a lottery. There are 5 core channels you need to master. Together, they create a pipeline that fills up fast. Let me break each one down. Strategy: 1 Google Business Profile. This is the most underrated free lead machine on the planet, and almost nobody uses it properly. Google Business Profile shows up when people search for services near them. Here's how to make it work. 1. Go to business.google.com and claim your profile. Takes 10 minutes. 2. Fill out every field category: description, services, hours, photos. 100% complete profiles. Get 5x more clicks than incomplete ones. 3. Ask every customer or client to leave a Google review. Reviews are the Hasshone trust signal for new leads. 4. Post weekly updates using the post feature. Google rewards active profiles with higher rankings. Pro tip: use keywords naturally in your business description, the same words your customers would type to find you. I've seen local businesses go from 0 to 30 qualified calls per month just from this one step. Free, zero ad spend. Strategy 2, LinkedIn outreach the right way. LinkedIn has over 1 billion users, and it has decision makers, CEOs, managers, business owners who can actually hire you. But 99% of people mess up by sending cold messages that scream, "I want something from you." Here's the playbook that actually works. Phase 1, profile optimization. Your LinkedIn profile is your landing page. Change your headline from just a job title to a results-focused statement. Before, freelance designer. After, I help SaaS startups turn visitors into customers through conversion-focused design. Phase 2, content posting. Post 3 times a week, not sales pitches, insights. Share what you've learned, a mistake you made, a result you achieved. LinkedIn rewards, consistency. Within 4 weeks, people reach out to you. Phase 3, smart outreach. Search for ideal clients using filters. Industry, job title, location, company size. Send connection requests with a personalized note. After 48 hours, send one value message, not a pitch, a resource, a tip, something useful that starts real conversations. And real conversations become leads. Target: 10 connections divided by day plus 5 messages divided by day equals 300 people reached in 30 days. Even a 5% response rate equals 15 warm conversations. Strategy 3, Reddit and Quora authority building. Screen share, Quora and Reddit search results. Every day, millions of people type their exact problems into Reddit and Quora. How do I find a good web designer? What's the best way to generate leads? These are your future clients, and they're waiting for someone to help them. 1. Search for topics in your niche on Quora. Find high-view questions that's proof people actively search for this. 2. Write genuinely detailed, helpful answers. Not 3 sentences, a full value-packed response that showcases your expertise. 3. Naturally mention your service or link to your website at the end. 4. Repeat on Reddit. Find subreddits where your target customers hang out. Participate. Add real value. The secret power. A great Quora answer you write today could generate leads 3 years from now. This is called evergreen lead generation, and it's completely free. Strategy: 4 Facebook groups. Goldmine. Screen share. Facebook groups. Search. Facebook groups are one of the most powerful free lead sources available right now, especially for B2B and local businesses. 1. Search for groups where your ideal clients hang out. Bookkeeper, join small business owner groups. Marketing consultant, join entrepreneur communities. 2. Spend the first 2 weeks just participating. Comment, help people, build recognition. 3. When someone posts asking for your type of service, answer publicly and professionally. Warm outreach, zero awkwardness. 4. DM people posting about a problem you solve, not with a pitch with a solution. Hey, I saw your post about X. I helped someone in a similar situation, happy to share what worked. No strings attached. Bonus move. Create your own Facebook group around a topic your ideal client cares about. Grow it with content. Position yourself as the authority. The leads come to you. Strategy. 5 SEO blog content that works forever. Google Keyword Planner. Blog post. This is the long game, but it's the one that pays forever. People type questions into Google. If you've written content that answers those questions, Google sends them to your website. They read, trust you, and reach out. That's it. 1. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, or Answer the Public to find what your ideal customers are searching. 2. Write genuinely useful content, not AI fluff. Real insights, real examples, real answers. 1,500 words minimum. 3. Use free platforms if you don't have a website, Medium, Substack, or LinkedIn articles. They already rank on Google. 4. End every article with a clear call to action. Want help implementing this? Book a free 20-minute call. Link to your booking page. One well-written article can bring in leads every single month for years. That's the magic of SEO. Bonus strategy, YouTube as a lead machine. Quick bonus, and you're literally on this platform right now. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. People search for tutorials and how-tos every second. You don't need a big channel. You don't need fancy equipment. Just a phone, good lighting, and genuine expertise. Make 5-10-minute videos answering specific questions your ideal clients have. Put a link to your website or booking page in the first 2 lines of the description. Even with 50 views per video, if those 50 are your ideal clients, that's 50 warm leads. A channel with 20 videos equals 1,000 plus potential monthly viewers. Start now. The system. Your 30-day action plan. Week 1, set up Google Business Profile, plus optimize LinkedIn, plus create accounts on Quora and Reddit. Week 2, post on LinkedIn 3x per week. Answer 1 question per day on Quora, Reddit. Join 3 relevant Facebook groups. Week 3, write your first 2 SEO blog posts. Record your first YouTube video. Start daily LinkedIn outreach, 10 connections, 5 messages. Week 4, analyze what's working. Double down on the channel driving the most conversations. Add a simple free lead magnet, a checklist, template, or mini guide to capture email addresses. By end of day 30, shown up in front of hundreds of potential clients. Created content working for you 24/7. Started conversations that turn into real business. The key word is consistency. 1135. The truth about lead quality. One thing I have to tell you because I want you to succeed, not just feel good watching a YouTube video. Getting 100 leads means nothing if you can't manage them. I've seen people generate incredible lead flow and then drop the ball. They forget to follow up. They lose track of who they contacted. They miss the timing. A lead that doesn't get followed up is a lead that goes to your competitor. That's why the last thing I'm going to show you is arguably the most important piece of this entire system. TradeFixa, your lead management superpower. All right, you've put in the work. You've generated the leads. Now what? This is where most small businesses completely fall apart. The follow-up. That's why I want to introduce you to TradeFixa. TradeFixa, built specifically for small businesses and tradespeople serious about converting leads into paying customers. Organized lead tracking. Every lead from LinkedIn, Google, Quora, everywhere goes into one clean dashboard. No more sticky notes. See exactly where every prospect stands in your pipeline. Automated follow-up sends. Smart, timely follow-up messages so you never lose a lead to silence. A lead who doesn't hear from you in 48 hours moves on. TradeFixa makes sure that never happens. Job and quote management send. Professional quotes and managed jobs from start to finish. A polished quote from a professional platform builds instant trust. Reviews on autopilot. After every completed job, TradeFixa follows up and requests a Google review automatically. This feeds your profile, builds social proof, and generates more free leads. A beautiful cycle. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, consultant, designer, or any service-based business, TradeFixa is the system that helps you grow without chaos. You do the work to get the leads. TradeFixa makes sure none of them slip through the cracks. Check out TradeFixa link in the description below. It could be the difference between 100 leads that go nowhere and 100 leads that turn into a full pipeline of paying clients. Alright, let's recap. You now have 5 free lead generation strategies that actually work. 1. Google Business Profile. 2. LinkedIn Smart Outreach. 3. Reddit and Quora Authority Building. 4. Facebook Groups. 5. SEO blog content. YouTube. And you have TradeFixa to make sure those leads convert into real revenue. There is no excuse anymore. You don't need money. You need consistency and the right strategy. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe for more tactical business growth content, and drop a comment below. Which strategy are you starting with today? I'll see you in the next one.